こんにちは皆さん。お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Today I'm going to talk about Christmas and the Christmas anime too. Well, first we're going to learn some words, but these words are all written in katakana because these words come from English. Maybe you know Christmas. Christmas, this is Christmas. And the first one, Christmas tree. Tree. Maybe you think, what is tree? But it comes from tree. Christmas tree, we say Christmas tree. For example, look at this. This is Christmas tree. Christmas tree です。私が作りました。I made it. And the second one, Christmas Eve. Eve. This is Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve. Christmas cake. Christmas cake. Well, you know, we Japanese, usually we're not Christians, but even if so, we celebrate Christmas, and we celebrate with Christmas cake. Christmas cake and Christmas illumination. Illumination. Christmas illumination. It's so beautiful and I love it. Christmas present. Christmas present. Christmas present. So it's the best part. This word, kazari. Kazari. This is the noun, the decoration. And kazarimasu. Kazarimasu. This is the verb, to decorate. To decorate. Kazarimono. This mono, it means the thing. The thing of the decoration. Ornaments. So, I've got lots of Christmas ornaments. クリスマスの飾り物でいっぱいです。私はクリスマスの飾り物が大好きです。I love Christmas ornaments. Or also we can say クリスマスツリーを飾ります。I decorate Christmas tree. We use like that. 飾ります。飾り物を only 飾り。Talking about Christmas in anime, well, we can find many animes, but one of the chapter, maybe they are talking about the Christmas time. But today I'm going to talk about this anime, Tokyo Godfathers. Oh, this Godfathers. This is Godfathers. Tokyo Godfathers. This one. And this anime is this. Tokyo Godfathers. This anime is from 2003, 2003, and has got lots of special awards. So it's very nice film for Christmas time. One of the reasons why I like this anime, Tokyo Godfathers, is about kizuna. Kizuna. Well, this beautiful word, kizuna, means the bond between people, the bond or the union between people or among people. This is kizuna. Well, this kanji, the left part, this is ito, thread. And here, the right part, this is like a hanbun, no han, the half. You see this kanji? We pronounce this one han. It is the half. But this kanji is very similar, but at first, this kanji was like this. The first part, you see? And this one has changed to here. And this one, for example, 2時半 at 2:30. 3時半 3:30. Like this is the half. Well, kizuna with like this here, the bound. And for example, we use this kizuna, 友情の絆. 友情, very beautiful word. 友情, friendship. 友, it comes from 友達の友, friendship. So the bonds between friends. Or 親子, 親子の絆, 親子, 親, parents, 子, children. So 親子の絆, it means the bond between parents and children. And 夫婦, 夫婦の絆. 夫, this kanji is husband. 夫, this is lady. Well, husband and a wife. 夫婦, husband and a wife. 夫婦の絆. So the bond between a husband and a wife. 家族, 家族の絆. Oh, this is very important. 家族, this is family. The bond between families. The bond among families. This is 絆. And three of the main characters are very different and so interesting. Well, we can learn some word. Homeless. Homeless. So it's just the same as homeless. Homeless. So in katakana, homeless. So without house, without a home. And also okama. 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 This is a person. This is a man. But he looks like a woman. So okama is drag queen. Drag queen is okama. And iede, this word, iede is to escape from home. Iede shimasu, to escape from home. Well, and also yakuza. Yakuza. Yakuza is Japanese gangster. They are yakuza. So these kind of characters appear in this anime. For example, this, he is Okama and she, iede shoujo. She escaped from home. And he is homeless. And also they found a baby on Christmas Eve. But the baby was between the trash, was among the trash. So they try to search. They are going to look. They are going to find her father and mother. So this is the story. So it's quite interesting with these kind of people, and also with yakuza, and so a little bit crazy comedy. In this anime, many miracles happen. Well, kiseki, this is the word of miracle. Kiseki. So lots of kisekis, and these characters, their life are going to be very, very good one. So everybody is going to be very, very happy. So this is a very happy ending story. But anyway, many things happen in this anime, but it's very interesting. And also, this anime can teach us the importance of life and importance of helping each other. So it's very heartwarming story, and I love this kind of things because after watching this anime, you can feel something very warm and how nice. So this kind of kiseki, because do you remember? They found a baby on Christmas Eve. So Christmas Eve, it's like a Jesus Christ. It's kind of miracle. So this is the story of very, very happy comedy. So this anime Tokyo Godfathers from 2003. 2003. It's not so new one, but it's very nice film, nice anime to watch on Christmas time. Do you know any other Christmas animes? Or can you recommend me some good animes for Christmas? If so, please write me under this video. There's a commentary. You can give me some commentaries about Christmas animes. Okay? And if you liked this video, please don't forget to give me like. And if you share my videos with your friends, that will help me a lot. Please. So I hope you have a very nice and Merry Christmas. じゃあ楽しいクリスマスを過ごしてくださいね。今日もここまで見てくださってどうもありがとうございます。ぜひチャンネル登録、いいねボタン、そしてコメント、また私のビデオをお友達とシェアしていただけたらとても嬉しいです。お願いします。メリークリスマス。